Removing grout is no easy prospect, but you might have to do it. Say you got a broken tile, or your grout is so old and nasty that your tile's starting to look like a bathroom at a truck stop. Even your kids are writing graffiti on the wall. I mean, that's nasty. How are you gonna get the grout out? Well, you could take a chisel and start trying to gouge out, or a screwdriver, and what's gonna happen? You could damage that drywall. Today, I'm gonna show you tools specifically made to get the grout out. The first tool I want to show you is called the Grout Saw, and it has a serrated edge on one side. It's thin enough to actually get between the tile, and what happens with a little elbow grease, the grout starts flying. Check it out. See, this tool works great, but what if you have a larger application like this grout here? Well, it works, but it's gonna take you a long time. I got a better way. I got a tool that'll do it quicker and easier. This is called the Grout Grabber. And it comes with this attachment which holds these 1/16 of an inch carbide grid blades. It'll hold up to 4 of them, and it'll take grout out from a 1/16 up to a 1/2 of an inch. Now watch the Grout Grabber work as we remove our grout. Oh, not only did it grab the grout, it pulverized it. You can see I took 3 blades off my Grout Grabber attachment, so I can show you that this tool works great taking caulk or grout off, even in a thin channel of grout. And we could do it very easily again with our tool. Watch. You see, that works great, even in tight spots. See, that works great. Now all I have to do is take my chisel and pop my tile off. Nice, look at that. Came right up, nice, hey. Now here's another grout eating tool. This is the RotoZip Rebel, and this tool has a cause. Its main motivation is to eat through grout. And it's a phenomenal tool because you can see it's lightweight, it's easy to handle, it's maneuverable. It's a rotary tool. We're using a masonry blade which spins up to 30,000 RPMs. Could you imagine what it's gonna do to this grout? Oh man, you don't have to imagine because I'm gonna show you right now. Look at that, completely took the grout off. Not only will this thing eat through grout, but it'll cut through tile. Watch it work. Wow, that's a killer tool. Now these tools I showed you here today cost $150, $50, or $15. And whether you want to zip your grout or grab your grout or saw your grout, there's a tool out there for you. As for the graffiti, well, that doesn't take such a powerful tool.